Philippines. At maraming salamat again sa inyong lahat for such a party this evening. Did you guys have fun? Sige. Alam niyo po, ano bang, ayan, yan ang cue ko. Dahil po, yun na nga po, slight tagal na po ako sa, gusto niyo yun, kunyari, lady like. It's like medyo 40 plus years in the business. Ang dami-dami ko pong dapat pasalamatan. Kaya lang po, baka po makalimot ako dun sa iba. So I would just like to thank the key people who helped shape me in this business. He's not here, but one of my mentors is Direct Fritz Infante. Pumipigil po ako kasi naiyak po ako. Siyempre po ang aking discoverers, si Tito Sen, Tito Soto, ayan po. And of course, his beautiful wife, Ninang Helen Gamboa, is almost like my second mom. Ang aking dalawang anak, who I call my heroes because they are such inspirations to me. They're the ones who kept me going, si Robin and Ram. And ito pong lady na to, siya po talaga yung nag-push sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Dahil ba, hindi ko naman matatawag na stage mom siya. She's exactly the opposite. But as I was starting out, of course I had struggles. And I used to remember, she used to say, ay, tuloy mo yan, Iha. Alam mo yung kakayanan mo. And maybe because I've learned to be strong because of her, kasi napaka-strong na babae ito talaga. She raised 4 children. And I guess that's what kept me going. One of the reasons why I kept continuing the business. Aside from the fact that, of course, I enjoyed it also. So to my beautiful mom, doon sa Lokban, maraming salamat. Ulit si mama. Ano siya sa buhay? Nakamawala ka niya. And now let me share these songs with all of you. Little star, little star, my one dream is to be where you are. The people that love me, oh, why can't they let me be? I know the secret, I'm not as light as the sky. wala at di na makikita. Bigla ang di ko kagustuhan ating tambuhan at ang iyong paglisan. Bakit ko ikaw wala na at di na magbabalik pa? Ba't kita naririnig, nakikita? At bakit ikaw ay narito lang sa tabi? Bakit ba'y kausap? Nagmula sa tuwina nakabili pa kita. Dito'y kapiling ka.